Welcome back to Hollywood Buzzing, where we cut through the noise and give you exactly what matters. And today's story is nothing short of explosive. A major shift is happening right now in the legal world, and it's not just going to fade away with tomorrow's headlines. This one has the potential to shake the very foundation of judicial accountability in the United States. Former Florida Attorney General Pam Bondi has stepped forward in a way that demands national attention. Her latest move isn't about policy or party lines. It's about calling out a federal judge who she says has crossed a line, and this time, the consequences could be massive. The judge at the center of this storm is James Boasberg, a name that's floated under the radar for most Americans, but behind the scenes, he's been involved in some of the most controversial rulings of the Trump era. Now, Bondi is making it crystal clear, this isn't just a disagreement over courtroom decisions. What's being alleged here goes beyond rulings and enters the realm of judicial misconduct. According to a complaint filed with the Department of Justice, Boasberg allegedly made off-the-record comments not during a hearing, not in a ruling, but in personal communications with other top judges, including Chief Justice John Roberts. The content of those remarks? That the Trump administration could potentially ignore judicial rulings. Think about that for a moment. A sitting judge making predictive, almost accusatory statements outside of court before a case even hits the docket. That's not just unusual. It's a direct challenge to the expectation of judicial impartiality. Judges are meant to be the guardians of the Constitution, not the ones undermining it through speculative commentary. What Bondi is saying, essentially, is that when a judge shows bias in this way, especially preemptively, it taints the justice process entirely. This isn't about defending a president or criticizing one. It's about making sure the legal process doesn't become a stage for personal opinion or political forecasting. And here's where it gets serious. If this complaint gains traction, we're not talking about a slap on the wrist. Boasberg could face a formal investigation, public censure, or even removal from the bench. That's how significant this is. And Bondi isn't walking this path alone. She's backed by a growing chorus of legal experts who say that if these allegations are true, the breach of ethics can't be ignored. The credibility of the judiciary relies on the public's trust, and that trust erodes quickly if judges appear to be playing favorites or acting on personal biases. Bondi's position is simple but powerful. Judges must be held to the highest standard, not the lowest common denominator. This isn't a political stunt. This is a stand for principle over party. We're watching something rare unfold, a direct challenge to judicial authority, not from a politician or a pundit, but from someone who understands the system inside and out. Whether the complaint leads to disciplinary action or quietly disappears, the message has already been delivered loud and clear. No one, not even a federal judge, is above scrutiny. Stay locked in right here on Hollywood Buzzing. We're tracking every development as it happens. No spin, no hype, just the facts that matter. Hit that follow button and don't miss what comes next.